Welcome to Basic Statistics and Data Mining for Data Science, a video course by Pack Publishing. In this video, I'm going to provide a course overview, but before I do that, I'm going to introduce myself because I'm your instructor. My name is Jesus Salcedo, and I have a PhD in psychometrics from Fordham University. I am an independent statistical and data mining consultant, and I have been analyzing data for over 20 years. I am a former SPSS curriculum team lead and senior education specialist, and I have written numerous SPSS training courses and trained thousands of users. This video course consists of step-by-step introductions to analyzing data and the basics of statistics. This is an application-oriented course. The approach is going to be practical. The course discusses the situations in which you would use each statistical technique, the assumptions made by the method, how to set up the analysis, and how to interpret the results. No proofs will be derived, but rather the focus will be on the practical matters of data analysis in support of answering research questions. The first section of this course focuses on the steps to analyzing data, and which summary statistics are relevant given the type of data that you are summarizing. The second section of this course continues by focusing on summarizing individual variables and specifically addressing some of the reasons why users need to summarize variables. In this section, we will also illustrate several procedures such as how to run and interpret frequencies and how to create various graphs. The third section introduces the idea of inferential statistics, probability, and hypothesis testing. The rest of the sections show users how to perform and interpret results of basic statistical tests. We'll talk about the chi-square test of independence, independent and paired samples t-tests, one-way ANOVA and its post-hoc tests, and bivariate correlations. We're also going to show different graphical displays. So not only will you be able to run these different statistical tests, but you will also be able to create graphs that can accompany the results of your statistical tests so you can visually show your audience what it is that they're seeing. So you'll learn how to create things like cluster bar charts, error bar charts, and scatter plots. Users will learn when to use these different techniques, how to set up the different analyses, and how to interpret the results. Now, this course is suitable for developers or anyone entering the field of data science who needs an introduction in analyzing data, as it covers the basics of statistics. This is an ideal course for those in data analytics, data management, data developers, data warehousers, data consultants, business analytics, business intelligence, statisticians, information security, information center, finance, marketing, and data mining across all industries and sectors. This course introduces students to the basic steps of data analysis. Students do not need to be experienced in analyzing data. However, an introductory statistics or data mining course would be helpful. Here, we're only going to take a short amount of time discussing different techniques, but if you have a whole semester's worth of experience with these different statistical and data mining techniques, you will certainly benefit even more. Software demonstrations will be performed on SPSS statistics. However, the introduction is going to be general so that students using any statistical software package will be able to follow along.